The holiday season is quickly approaching, and what better way to get into the holiday spirit than celebrating the performing arts? One Chord Music School develops and helps young people strive for excellence and exceed their creative expectations. One Chord's vocal trainings, instrument lessons, and dance classes have put the youth on a platform to showcase their unique talents for 10 years now. We invite families and the community out to help us celebrate 10 years of learning, creating, inspiring, and developing musicians of all ages. Come out to the Woodlands Church of Atascocita on December 4th at 7 p.m. and experience the sound of the season 2015, The Gift. Special guests that night will include Vinzeel, the Walwyn Tribe, the Break Free Community, and Von Wan. One Chord Music School, along with Scott Myron Studios, presents the sound of the season 2015, The Gift. So this holiday season, get into the spirit and come out and see the youth of our community inspire you.